What makes a relationship truly amazing? Is it the grand gestures, the expensive gifts, or perhaps the fairy tale dates? We may ponder this in our journey through interactions. Could the secret of an extraordinary bond reside not in superficial grandeur, but in deeper emotional connections? Often this question can leave us bewildered as we traverse the labyrinth of human bonds. Today we delve into the heart of relationships, exploring the 10 key elements that make a relationship not just good, but truly amazing. At the core of every amazing relationship is a deep emotional connection. This bond, it's more than just words. It's built on open conversations where desires and dreams are exchanged. It thrives on empathy, the capacity to see life from your partner's view. It's nurtured through understanding and appreciating your partner's uniqueness. A strong emotional connection forms the bedrock of an enduring, fulfilling relationship. Quality time, not just quantity, gives life to a relationship. It's the lifeline that sustains love. It involves making each moment significant. It beckons engagement in profound conversations, crafting shared experiences. It requires complete presence, absorbing the moment, connecting with your partner. It's discovering one another and deepening your bond. It's not just about the duration you spend together, but the quality of that time that nourishes your relationship. While connection and quality time are critical, they are just the beginning. Consider the importance of appreciation and gratitude. They are akin to sunlight, necessary for nurturing the relationship. Equally important are support and encouragement. These are the sturdy trellis, providing the necessary framework for your relationship to grow. Respect and trust are fundamentals, the foundation of the relationship house. Without them, the structure is prone to crumble. Conflict resolution is essential, akin to smooth sailing amidst stormy seas. Shared values and goals act as a compass, ensuring you're both heading in the same direction. Physical intimacy adds a spark, keeping the fire of love alive. It's about creating a deeper connection through tender moments. The commitment to grow together, like two flowers in the same garden, enhances the relationship. Unconditional love, like rain, nourishes this relationship garden, helping it thrive. Accepting your partner, flaws included, and loving them through life's ups and downs is crucial. Each of these elements combined creates a relationship that's truly amazing, one that is fulfilling, satisfying, and enduring. So, we've explored the 10 keys to an amazing relationship. Each key, unique yet interdependent, contributes to the grand symphony of a fulfilling relationship. The cornerstone is building a strong emotional bond, nurtured by shared experiences and feelings, acting as the bridge between two souls. Appreciation and gratitude can morph an ordinary day into a love-filled celebration. They highlight the significance of recognizing your partner's efforts and valuing their presence. Support and encouragement, the wind beneath your partner's wings, propel them towards their dreams. Your shared triumphs and challenges make you each other's greatest cheerleaders. Respect and trust act as the unwavering anchor. When conflicts arise, constructive resolution turns them into stepping stones. Shared values guide your journey, while physical intimacy adds a beautiful melody to your bond. Continuous growth, a commitment to evolve individually and together, helps you become the best versions of yourselves. Central to all is unconditional love, accepting and cherishing each other, flaws and all. Remember, an amazing relationship isn't built in a day, it's the result of continuous effort, understanding and love. So keep these keys in mind and unlock the door to a truly amazing relationship.